guys notice that there are more thistles?
Yeah.
Oh,
More
absolutely.
Yeah.
And what's that about?
I would expect that. It's kind of ironic because a lot of the non-native species are fire adapted.
We've always sort of been the caretakers of everything across and up the slope.
Okay.
We're helping to, maintain the weeds, or keeping the fire hazard down.
I love the idea of goats. I think that's a great idea, or even sheep if it's a large enough area. You would want to do little sections at a time, just so you can kind of keep them enclosed, electric fence, and then moving them around. But most annual plants aren't going to resprout, especially if they're not getting watered from the roots. So yeah, it's certainly a weed whacker, high weed mower. You can just go through and just take them down.
There are some oak trees seedlings coming up.
Yeah.
So, if you bring in sheep or you bring in, like you weed whack, how do you encourage one versus not the other?
So a good strategy is to just go around and mark species that you especially specific if you see, the manzanitas, that you have some marked already.
Yeah, so wherever the pink flags are some
beautiful.
things that we've identified.
Yeah. So start with the marking, and then depending on if you're going to manage it with weed whacking or with goats or however you want to keep the weeds or the brush down, actually doing little enclosures around those plants. So be it like a little wire thing, or there are a number of different ways that you could do that to protect them. The thing is, there also are going to be a lot of times there's going to be sort of an over regeneration process as well. So like the oaks or pines or other species might come in a little bit thicker than you almost want them to. So it's not necessarily a bad thing to take a little bit of that out. I love the idea of having community goat herd. That's a beautiful idea.